Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So yesterday I let you know that Windows 11 could be getting a new way to fix broken PCs with a feature called device rebuild. And that was all according to code that had been spotted in recent insider preview builds, which basically goes beyond the current reset this PC, which is a new recovery option for Windows. Now, just to let you know that, as mentioned, when I posted yesterday, it was just according to code that had been spotted. But now, with the latest experimental preview build that rolled out late yesterday in my region in the Insider program, preview build 26,300.8772, Microsoft has officially confirmed and started testing and introduced the feature which is actually now called Cloud Rebuild, which according to Microsoft is a new recovery option that restores a Windows 11 PC to a clean, known good state by performing a full OS reinstall, even when Windows won't boot, which I do think is a nice move. So Microsoft says that unlike reset this PC, Cloud Rebuild downloads both the target Windows image and the device's drivers from Windows Update. So the device comes back fully functional without USB media, without a custom image, and without depending on the health of the currently installed operating system. So basically how this all works is you would start it directly from the Windows recovery environment, WinRE, by selecting Troubleshoot, Recovery and Install, Cloud Rebuild. You would connect over wired Ethernet or a Wi-Fi network from within WinRE, and then you would review the target Windows build, edition and language, then confirm the data loss warning before the rebuild begins. So what we are looking at here is the new Cloud Rebuild option in Windows Recovery environment, enabling a full Windows reinstall using files downloaded from Windows Update. So unlike Reset This PC, which you can only use basically within Windows, Cloud Rebuild will be a lifesaver when the operating system has become unbootable, which is a nice move. Now it's important to take note, if we have a look at the small print, it says install Windows on your PC from the cloud. This will remove all apps, settings and personal files. So to take note that Cloud Rebuild doesn't include an option to maintain apps and files, unlike Reset This PC, which includes an option to maintain all your data across the reset. Cloud Rebuild is strictly for reinstalling the Windows operating system as a clean slate with device drivers. So that's important to note. So basically you're getting a fresh install of the operating system. And the new Cloud Rebuild recovery, according to Microsoft, is rolling out now in preview, as mentioned, to Windows insiders in the experimental channel in the Insider program. So it's not generally available just yet, but it should begin rolling out to everyone in the coming months. And I'm sure that will be a feature rolling out with Windows 11 26H2. But I'll keep you guys posted as I get the info. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.